How you can scale a video in Capcut Mobile free tutorial.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial.
Select your video as it's selected and highlighted. Basically pinch your inward as it's basically zooming in. You can pinch outward. Click the undo button right here. Undoes everything. The way that you can do is click and select your video clip. Scroll to the right until you transform. Third option, resize. I'm just going to resize your video for you if you want manually or change the aspect ratio. In this case, we're just going to click undo. Well, you basically want to scale your video. The way that I've found is to click your video and it's manually pinch inward. You can add a keyframe. Let's go to the end, add another keyframe. Pinch outward. It basically just zoomed out, as you can see. If you don't want to do that as well and you want to adjust the scale manually, click and select your video clip. Scroll to the right until you see the option adjust. It's going to be the same thing. Just basically click basic next to remove BG and filters. You can manually scale in video by scrolling to the right or scrolling to the left. Checkmark icon. And you have successfully scaled in your video in Capcut Mobile completely for free.